Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to see the location of the spark plugs. To access your spark plugs, you must remove the engine cover. Push on the two studs, then remove the engine cover. With a very thin flathead screwdriver, unclip the holding hooks on the power wire bundle for the coils. With a big screwdriver, delicately lever the coils to release them. Then extract them by pulling upwards by hand. Set them aside so they don't get in the way when removing the spark plugs. Using a socket wrench or a T-handle wrench, a big extender and a 16mm spark plug socket, unscrew the spark plug and unscrew by hand to save time. Tip: if the spark plug wrench doesn't have a click system, to hold the spark plug and pull it out, you can use the coil. Insert it onto the plug and using the coil for the final turns, release the plug. You should then be able to take it out easily.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take hold of the new spark plug. Replace the new spark plug by inserting it directly into the spark plug socket, which will allow you to bring it delicately to the screwing support. Always start screwing by hand, then finish by fixing it in place with a socket wrench, finalizing the tightening with a quarter turn. There are several techniques for tightening spark plugs. You can use a torque wrench and employ the torque setting recommended by the manufacturer. Or you can use an angular torque gauge to respect the recommended angle. We strongly recommend watching our tutorial how to tighten spark plugs before carrying out this step. Put the coil back, pushing it in as far as possible. You should hear a small click as it goes in. You can now repeat the same process on the other spark plugs. Once finished, put the wire bundle back in its place, holding it in place by lowering the hooks. Put the engine cover back on. Operation completed.
Hello! If this video helps you, like and subscribe.